fucking remote. I'm just hanging out.
Yeah, me too. I'm also a remote. Just hanging out, man.
This is stupid. Why is Danny making remotes into people? He should go out and try to get a girlfriend.
Well, he's not even trying, dude. He's just sitting around his apartment, coming up with stupid video ideas, looking at pictures of Kate Moss.
I mean, yeah, she's pretty hot, but he's never gonna get a girl like that. He's never gonna get any girl if he doesn't even try.
He's just really focused on comedy right now. He's just really taking comedy seriously. So, there's been a series of blonde girls in their 20s that didn't want to date him, so he's like, well, fuck it, I'm just gonna focus on stand-up and my job.
Yeah, well, that's stupid. Those girls are really smart.
Do you want to fuck, dude?